Hi friends, welcome to the IP Math channel by LPT. You know, GIPMAT is around the corner and we've already started giving you the previous year's solutions. I've given you solution for 2021, 2022 verbal section. Today we'll be taking care of 2023 verbal section of the GIPMAT exam. My name is Nihil, I'm your verbal mentor, and let's begin. GIPMAT 2023 previous year questions, let's see. What's the first question? It is a grammar question. Pick out the correct sentence from the following sentences. Easy sawal hai. Hardly had the function got over, the crowd dispersed. This looks good. Hardly have the function got over. Have is incorrect. So I can eliminate this. I can eliminate have. The function was not to got over, not got over again. Incorrect. Hardly had got over. Word order error hai. The only sentence which makes sense is number 1. Pick out the correct sentence from the following sentences. Who had replaced the player after she was injured? देखिए यहाँ पे हमने यूज किया है past perfect tense. Had replaced the player after she was injured. I don't need this. Who replaced the player after she were injured? She were injured भी गलत है. Who was replacing the player after she had been injured? Again, this is also incorrect. Who was replacing past continuous नहीं लगा सकते. Who replaced the player after she was injured? Simple. Who replaced the player after she was injured? Simplest सवाल, simplest answer. Past perfect के लिए 2 action होने चाहिए past में, and if we have to denote order, then we use past perfect and we use simple present tense. Simple सा solution. Example देखते हैं. जब मैं ट्रेन पहुंचा, ट्रेन जा चुकी थी. There are 2 actions happening. 1, reaching the station. 2, the train leaving. What happened first? The train left first. Train जा चुकी थी, right? So when I reached the station, the train had left. Here you're denoting order. First action, train had left, past perfect. Second action, when I reached the station, simple past. 2 action, past perfect जो पहले हुआ है, simple past जो बाद में हुआ है. चलिए, इसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. अभी चलते हैं next question पे. Question gives a word followed by 4 choices. Pick out the correct choices. Select the most synonym. Synonym क्या होता है? Similar sound, similar meaning word. Ostensible. What is ostensible? Ostensible is जो दिखता है आपको, ठीक है? Strong makes no sense. Desirable makes no sense. Apparent, right? Apparent is what is seemingly there. Something which seems to be there, right? Best answer ostensible का हो गया apparent. Fateful, again related to luck. Pick out the synonym of the word communicable. Communicable क्या होता है? कुछ diseases होती हैं जो फैल जाती हैं, जल्दी communicate होती हैं. Disease के लिए एक specific word होता है. The word I'm looking for is contagious. Mind you, communicable is used in the context of diseases. इसीलिए जो मैं आंसर ढूंढ रहा हूँ वो भी with respect to diseases ही होना चाहिए. Next, this question gives a word followed by 4 choices. From the choices, select the most suitable synonym for the main word and mark its number as the answer. Famished. You know what is famished? Famished का मतलब होता है जब आपको भूख लग रही है बहुत जोर से. Best answer हो जाएगा यहाँ पे hungry. Simple, direct question है, direct answer है. मार्क कीजिए, आगे बढ़िए. Fill in the blank with suitable form of verb. Read dash, consider, not to believe but to weigh. Okay, देखो, not to believe. तो मुझे पता है nor तो no के बाद आता है. Neither this nor that. So I know यहाँ पे भी जो blank में आएगा वो भी negative word ही होगा. Also it says read not to contradict. Read not to contradict. Consider not to believe. D is my best answer. Right? आगे चलेंगे. The attorney wanted to expedite the process because her client was becoming impatient. हमें बताना है read the following sentence. Choose the best definition for the underlined word. Searching for context clues in the sentence. So I'm assuming expedite is the word which has been used because एक यही थोड़ा अलग word है जो आसान नहीं है, मतलब कहना चाहेंगे. हम पूछेंगे same context में expedite का मतलब क्या होता है? Expedite का मतलब होता है to quicken something, right? To accelerate something. Expedite. For example, आप Amazon Prime member हैं, तो आपको same day delivery मिल जाती है. So you get an expedited order because of your membership. ठीक है? Next, read the following paragraph and determine carefully the main idea. From the given 4 choices, select the one statement that best supports the author's point. Okay? Critical reading is a demanding process. To read critically, you must slow down reading and with pencil in hand, perform specific operations on the text. Mark up the text with your reactions, conclusions, and questions. When you read, you become an active participant. This paragraph best supports the statement. So हमने बात करी है किसकी? Critical reading की, कि उसको ध्यान से पढ़ना पड़ता है. Okay? The paragraph best supports the statement that A. Critical reasoning is a slow, dull but essential process. हम इसको eliminate कर सकते हैं. कहीं भी slow या dull नहीं लिखा हुआ है. So A cannot be my answer. B says readers should get in the habit of questioning the truth of what they read. Guys, we are not talking about questioning the truth. We are talking about understanding exactly what it means. So ये भी questioning the truth की वजह से हम eliminate कर सकते हैं. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं हुई पैराग्राफ में. The best critical reading happens at critical times in person's life. ये बोल रहा है critical reading होती कब है? जब आपका time critical चलता है. Critical reading के time के बारे में कोई बात नहीं हुई है. So I can eliminate this as well. Clearly my answer has to be D. Critical requires thoughtful and careful attention. Yes, thoughtful and careful attention. Slow down reading with pencil in hand. तो thoughtful और carefully पढ़ना होगा आपको उसको. Best answer is option D. Let's look at the next question. Pick out the correct sentences. Passive voice of the following sentence. Active, passive, direct, indirect. तो आना ही आना है. हमें पता है, देख चुके हैं. He will finish the work in a fortnight. अब हमें इसका passive voice चाहिए. Passive voice कैसे बनेगा? सबसे पहले subject को object बना देंगे और object को subject. He will work. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight. He would be finishing. गलत है. The work would be finished. Would की वजह से गलत है. The work was finished. Past tense ये भी गलत है. The work will be finished by him in a fortnight is the best answer. Easy question. Arrange the following parts of a sentence in order to form a meaningful sentence. क्या करेंगे हम इसमें? हम इसमें देखेंगे mandatory pairs. कोई भी दो words जो एक साथ आने ही आने चाहिए. कोई भी दो words ऐसे. Around the town क्या कर सकते हो? Shopkeeper would cycle around the town कर सकते हो. तो SP mandatory pair हो गया. Delivering food to customers कौन deliver करेगा? Shopkeepers. तो SPR हो गया. SPR है कहीं पे? SPR. Only in option B. So, when I was young, shopkeepers would cycle around the town delivering food to customers. Simple. आगे चलते हैं. Correct sentence in active voice of the following sentence. Why was such a letter written by your father? Why was such a letter written by your father? इसका active voice चाहिए. तो शुरुआत कहाँ से होगी? Why did your father write such a letter? Wrote will make no sense क्योंकि did के साथ आप wrote नहीं लगा सकते. दो passes. Did is already showing you past. Why did your father write such a letter? Again, I would say relatively easy question. Pick out the correct sentence from the following sentences. She doesn't like to get up early. She तो singular है. Gets plural. She के साथ तो आपको like के साथ तो आपको get up लगाना पड़ेगा. Like to gets up early. ये गलत हो गया. She doesn't likes to get up early. यहाँ पे likes गलत हो गया. She doesn't like to get up early. This makes sense. She doesn't likes getting up early. Again. So not only are you looking at the right answer, you can even eliminate the wrong ones. 13th question. This question gives a word followed by 4 choices. From the choices, select the most suitable synonym. हमें synonym बताना है. किसका? Palpable का. Palpable क्या होता है? कोई चीज इसको आप महसूस कर सकते हो. Visible नहीं, audible नहीं, presentable नहीं. It has to be perceivable. Mind you, it does not always have to be visible. Something which is perceivable does not always have to be visible. So palpable का best answer हो जाएगा, best synonym हो जाएगा perceivable. Let's look at the next question. Read the following paragraph and determine carefully the main idea. From the 4 choices, select the one statement that best supports the author's point. Litigation is not always the only or best way to resolve conflicts. Mediation offers an alternative approach and it is the one that can be quite efficient and successful. ठीक है? Mediation can be faster, less expensive, and can lead to create solutions not always possible in a court of law. Additionally, mediation focuses on mutually acceptable solutions rather than on winning or losing. ठीक है, so हम suggest कर रहे हैं कि mediation हम use कर सकते हैं. You see the usage of the word can be faster, can lead to create solutions. All right. This paragraph best supports the idea that there is too much reliance on litigation in our society. Guys, we are simply saying that we should use mediation instead. Mediation, it's a better method, right? But nowhere does it say that there is too much reliance on litigation. So I can eliminate A. B says litigation is expensive, slow, and limited by its reliance on following the letter of the law. Nowhere does it mention so. This may be true as a fact, but it is not true as per the passage. Mediation is the best way to resolve a crisis. This is too far-fetched. Author ने बोला है it can resolve things, okay? It can help. But nowhere does the author say that it is the best way to resolve a crisis. This may be true, but not from the passage. So I'll eliminate this as well. Mediation can be an effective way to resolve conflicts. Guys, I'm looking for this. Can. हाँ, ऐसा हो सकता है. That's what the passage suggests. Can be an effective way to resolve conflicts? Yes. Next, pick out the correctly spelled word. ये तो बहुत आसान सवाल है. Disaster की spelling गलत है. Documentation की spelling सही है. Deviation की spelling गलत है. और dormitory की spelling भी गलत है. Easy answer. Answer choice B. Mark करेंगे. आगे चलेंगे. Question number 16. Pick out the correct sentence in indirect narration of the following sentence. He said, let us wait for the award. He proposed him to wait for the award? No. He proposed that they should wait for the award? Looks good. He agreed to wait for the award? No, that's not correct. He proposed me that... So guys, proposed him to galat hi hai. If you're proposing someone, you'll have to use a to, a preposition between them. They ki baat bhi nahi hui hai. He proposed that they should wait for the award. Let us wait for the award. Plural, singular. Plural pronoun is what we're using. Let us ki jagah aa jayega. They should wait for the award. Best answer, option B. Next, pick out the correct sentence and indirect narration of the following sentence. Indirect narration, again indirect narration, so direct indirect speech. She said to him, please wait here till I return. Okay. She requested her. ये तो गलत हो गया. She said to him है. Her तो हो नहीं सकता. She requested him to wait there till she returned. She requested him to wait there till she returns. Wait here till I return. Returns. I'm looking for present tense, not past tense. ठीक है? C is the best answer. He put dash his departure for a week. 18th question. हमें suitable preposition चाहिए. Put down his departure makes no sense. Put off his departure मतलब अपना departure delay कर दिया. अभी नहीं, थोड़े time बाद जाएंगे. Put off his departure makes no sense. Put on his departure again makes no sense. Put off with O-double-F is the best answer. So this was the first half of JIPMAT 2023 verbal section. I will see you again in the next half of the same paper, same section. See you.